How to stop microphone from auto-adjusting in Windows 11. To stop your microphone from auto-adjusting in Windows 11, go to Start. Then type Control Panel on the search bar. Then click on it. Then click on the box of View by option. Select large icons. Click on Sound. Go to Recording tab. Double-click on the active microphone. Then Microphone Properties window will pop up. In the Microphone Properties window, click on the Advanced tab and uncheck the box next to Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. This will prevent Windows from automatically adjusting your microphone volume. In the Levels tab, you can also adjust the microphone volume manually by dragging the slider to the desired level. You can also adjust the microphone boost by checking the box next to Microphone Boost and adjusting the slider. Click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. And that's how you can stop microphone from auto-adjusting in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.